everyone, welcome to another installment of Bright's Weekly Outlook. So firstly, we'll be talking about past week's data and the upcoming fundamental news. And then we'll be talking about past week's technical analysis and this week's technical analysis. And then we will be talking about our free Telegram group and our inner circle group. So past week's fundamental analysis. On Monday, we had the GDP for China Yuan, and then we had the USD retail sales. China Yuan results was as consensus, and there was not much movement for the China Yuan itself and as well as AUD, as they both are interrelated. And then for the USD retail sales, it was better than expected, and it actually causes the USD to boot for the first half of the week. Next, we had the New Zealand CPI, which was worse than expected, and it quickly hit the oversold region and quickly boot back up to where it started. And next, we had the GBP CPI on Wednesday and also the GBP retail sales on Thursday. Both was worse than expected, and it causes GBP to be actually quite bearish for the whole of last week. And then on Thursday, we had the Aussie dollars unemployment. Unemployment change was actually much better than expected, and also the unemployment rate remained the same as consensus. This actually causes AUD to actually boot quite a bit for the whole of last week. And then we had the CAD retail sales and CPI. It was better than expected, and CAD actually boot once the news was released, but it quickly retraced back to where it started when the market closed. This week we had quite a few news, but it has not much impact as we can see. So this week we will not be talking about much about fundamental analysis, but do look out for all these things on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. On Tuesday, we had the Euro PMI. On Wednesday, we have the AUD CPI. Thursday, we had the Euro rate decision. And Friday, we have the USD advanced GDP. So if you have any trades on all these pairs, please be very careful on the following days. If you want to have more insights on all the fundamental news, we will provide a link below where you can actually download the soft copy from our Telegram group or from our Facebook page. Okay, so talking about last week's technical analysis, we actually shared two analyses with all of you. First, we will have the NZD USD, and then we had the GBP AUD. For the NZD USD, it actually broke the support over here, but once the news came out, it actually hit the oversold region and it boot back up, quickly hitting out all the shorties, and after that it bear back down, and now it's stuck in this region over here. For the GA, we were calling for a short at this region, and we were waiting for more bearish price action, which actually happened, and we went in for a short, which the price actually dropped to this region, and we actually successfully hit our TPs. So congratulations to everyone who had followed this following technical analysis. And for this one, it was quite unfortunate that they actually hit most of everyone's stop loss and actually drop back down to the region where it actually started, which is over here. So this week we will be sharing a lot of trade ideas, 5 technical analyses in fact. So first we will be talking about the Euro Japanese Yen. For here we had this support over here, as you can see, quite a strong support, but it ended on a bearish pin bar. So we will be waiting for more convincing price action of bearish price action, and we will actually short it and looking for a TP at around this region, which is about 110 pips away. Next, we have the Australian dollar and Swiss franc. As you can see, we actually dropped an upper channel over here, but it actually broke the upper channel, and price actually tried to boot back up into the upper channel, and it got rejected. So we are quite bearish on this, and we actually are looking to short this and looking at a TP at around this region, which is around 60 to 70 pips. Next, we have the New Zealand dollar and Japanese yen. As you can see, it was a downward channel, but the support over here, this blue region, seemingly quite strong. So we are waiting for a more bearish price action as well, and then we will go for a short and look for a TP at around this region, which is another 100 to 200 pips. So still we have to wait for a more convincing bearish action before we actually go for a short. Next, we have the Euro and Swiss franc, which is CHF. This region, the previous resistance which turned a support, seemingly quite strong. So we are quite bullish on this. So once it showed more bullish price action, we will be actually looking for a, a long on the Euro CHF chart, which we will be looking to TP at these few regions over here. TP1, TP2, and TP3, which is at around 1.8 region, 1.18 region, sorry. So it's about another 180 pips away. So this, you have to keep a lookout at this area for more bullish price action before going for a long. Next, we have the Euro New Zealand dollars. We have the support over here, this blue region, and we have the resistance over here. But there is quite a fishy price action over here, as the price has been staying at the resistance for quite a few days. So this thing is very tricky. It might actually break the resistance over here. So this one we will be quite bullish on this and waiting for a more bullish price action before we actually enter. This one we'll be looking at a TP of 1.8, which is about 80 pips away. So for this, you have to look out whether it breaks the resistance or not. If it doesn't, we will be looking for a short and looking to TP at the support over here. Next, that's all for our technical analysis, and next we'll be talking about our free Telegram group and inner circle. So this is our free Telegram group. Throughout the week, we actually share newsletter, we actually share fundamental analysis, we share various technical analysis throughout the week. So if you are looking for free technical analysis and fundamental news, you can join our Telegram group, which I will put the link in the description below. And then for our inner circle group, this is for all our referrals who actually use our referral code to trade under Fullerton Markets, which is a broker. If you use our referral code 268490, you will be added into our inner circle group. And once you start trading, we will actually refund you a 4 USD per lot rebates for every lot you trade per month. So for example, for Euro USD, if you trade 10 lots per month, we will actually be rebating you 40 USD. This is all cold hard cash and it's not credit for you to trade. It will be transferred directly into your bank account. So that's all for this week technical analysis. Do help to like, share, and subscribe our YouTube. And also, please join our free Telegram group and spread it to all your friends around. So that's all for this week. Thank you everyone.